Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this week I have some exciting videos, or at least I think it's exciting because I haven't done anything like this on my channel before. I have seen this on other people's channels. I didn't really watch any of the videos when I looked it up, but the first couple ones I saw, they did this a little bit differently. So I'm going to be doing 1 week using one palette. So 5 days I'm going to be using the same palette every day, for multiple reasons, mostly because there's a lot of palettes in my collection that I buy and use maybe once just for a video and I don't ever use it again, but when I used it, I did think it was a good palette. So this is going to challenge me to use the makeup that I already have in my collection more. So that's the first reason. And the second reason is just I want to get more things out there to you guys. I want to put more tutorials out there. I want to put more content out there. So this week, the palette that I'm going to be using, I don't think I've ever used on my channel before, and it is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette has been out for a while, and I just haven't used it on my channel, and to be quite honest, I very rarely actually pick it up when I'm doing my makeup. I've used this more on other people than I have on myself, and I don't think I've actually used it to complete a full completed eye look on myself either. Just a couple more things before we jump into this video. You'll probably be seeing the same exact intro before all my videos this week. These videos are also going to be a combination of voiceover and talk through, just depending on what I'm feeling like that day when I film. So because I know this intro is already long enough, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, going in with Silk Cream. This is just like a staple color in this palette to start off with. It's just the perfect color as a transition shade. Now going in with, I think I used Pooter right here. I cannot remember for the life of me what color this was, but I think it was this one, and I'm just putting all of these shades pretty much in the same area in the crease and getting lower and lower on my lid as I'm adding the shades, and I'm just going back and forth like always and blending out, making sure everything is nice and seamless, no harsh lines, and the blend is beautiful on it. Now going in with Roxanne, and I'm just putting this even lower on there to start getting ready for that deeper like maroon burgundy shade that I'm about to go in with, and just going back and forth between the first two shades as well, making sure it's all nice and blended out. Now I'm going in with Jax right here, and I'm just putting this all on my lid and just really making sure this is clean up in the crease, and I'm actually about to take a smaller, more detailed brush with the same color on it and run it in my crease just to make sure all these colors are blended really well together. So yep, that has the exact same color on it, just making sure everything is blended. And now I'm once again going to go back and forth between all the shades that are already on my eyes and make sure everything is nice and blended. Are y'all tired of hearing me say that yet? Because I'm kind of tired of saying it and hearing myself say it. Anyway, next I'm going in with this Dose of Colors cream eyeshadow in Hit the Road. I knew I wanted to use this specific eyeliner with this look. I wanted to do something more in these maroon burgundy type tones, just completely matte, because I haven't done a complete matte look in such a long time. So this is something that I really had in mind when I looked at this palette for this week. And again, I'm sorry for no talk through on this one. I was just 100% not feeling it. This morning when I woke up, I had to go to work and I didn't want to go, so I just wanted to not talk pretty much. Now I'm taking that same cream eyeliner from Dose of Colors and putting it in my waterline. And yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. You just gotta be careful with this because it does get kind of chunky and it'll kind of flake off in your eye. So you just gotta be careful and not go over the same area too many times. Now going back in with Jax and just running this under my eye. I went a little too far down with these colors, and with these types of tones, it can make you look very tired. So you just got to be very careful with it. So now I'm blending it out with some more of Silk Cream, and because I went too far down, I'm taking some excess powder and tapping that under my eye and kind of cleaning up. So this is the final look. I knew I wanted to do something completely matte while using this palette, and I know I wanted to use this Dose of Colors Set the Tone cream eye color and Hit the Road. So yeah, I think this looks really good. You do have to be kind of careful with these types of tones though, because it can just make your eyes look a little crazy. But I knew I wanted to use these colors while using this palette, so I'm really happy with the way this turned out, and it's all matte. I haven't done like a completely matte look like this in so long. I always add shimmer somewhere in the look. This is another look that I would pair false lashes with, but I'm actually once again getting ready to go to work, so I didn't want to have to take them off. I hate the way eye looks look if you peel false lashes off of them, because I feel like you can just see where they were. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say, except I really hope you guys enjoyed these videos this week. I really enjoyed filming them and getting them up for you guys and showing you guys some just more tutorials and stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit and actually getting to play with some makeup that I've had in my collection for a long time and just don't really reach for, because it's not bad products, it's just I have so many. I'm also so excited to be doing more of these videos for you guys. I'll have a couple more coming in February. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I post a video. Also, follow me on all my socials. I'll have them listed in the description box down below. Mainly Instagram, like I always say, follow me on Instagram because that's where I update you guys the most. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!